How to grow tomatoes in a bucket. No backyard needed. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm so glad you joined, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome on this channel. We discuss a variety of topics. Without wasting your time, let's dive into today's topic: how to grow tomatoes in a bucket. No backyard needed. Want to grow fresh tomatoes at home, even with no backyard space? In this video, I'll show you how to grow tomatoes in a bucket. Beginner-friendly, budget-friendly, and so rewarding. Tomato. Here's what you'll need: a 10 to 15 liter bucket, potting mix, a tomato seedling, water, a sunny spot, like your balcony or window. Step 1. Make holes at the bottom of your bucket. This helps drain excess water and keeps the roots healthy. Step 2. Fill the bucket with quality potting mix. Add compost or organic fertilizer if available. Step 3. Plant your tomato seedling in the center of the bucket. Gently press the soil around it and water well. Step 4. Place your bucket in a sunny spot. Tomatoes love sunlight, at least 6 hours a day. Step 5. Water regularly, but don't overdo it. Let the top inch of soil dry before watering again. Bonus tip: support your plant with a stick or string as it grows, and remove small suckers between stems for more fruit. In a few weeks, you'll see flowers, then fruit. Tomato. Get ready to harvest your very own homegrown tomatoes. If this video helped you, tap like and subscribe for more simple gardening tips. Tell us in the comments, are you starting your own bucket garden?